welcome. We are on the Utopia of the Seas, and we are actually with friends, and our friends booked an interior balcony. So we wanted to show you the interior balcony that is on board the Utopia of the Seas. Very similar to one that we've been on in the Symphony of the Seas. They did do a virtual balcony, but very clean, smells delicious in here. So the bathroom is definitely more, it's newer, it looks cleaner, it smells cleaner. Of course, it's a brand new ship. Let me show you the size of the shower. For reference, I am 5'8". That's pretty. A lot of room. Very similar to their other ships. And then you have all of your safe on this side. You have closet space. You have drawers. You have the lamps. The bed. Let's test this bed. 1, 2. Pretty comfortable. Definitely new. Virtual balcony. And then over here, you have your whole closet space that's like without the drawers. Oh, look what I see. They have USB-C. USB. No, USB-C. That is awesome. That is a big complaint on cruise ships that they don't have the USB-C, so that's great. Do they have one down here? Let's see. Let's check. Yep, USB-C and USB. Awesome. So that's great. You have your drawers, you have your fridge down here. Nice. And the virtual balcony. We're still at port, so you can see all the cars. So it's really spacious around here. It doesn't really feel that claustrophobic. So I approve. I think it looks great.